Hello everyone, this is Dr. Manu and welcome to Tooth Times. In today's video, we will learn about water flosser. Now, water flosser or oral irrigator as it is called is a very effective tool. If you are someone who is wearing braces or if you are having implants or multiple crowns and bridges, then this is very good for you. If you have recently got a gum surgery done, a full mouth flap procedure done, then this can be really very helpful in maintaining your oral hygiene. Any patient who is having braces or implant, crowns, bridges, gum surgery, these kind of patients usually face a lot of difficulty in cleaning their teeth, and they face issues like a lot of time they feel like the food is getting stuck in between your teeth. So this tool can really help in doing that. It not only flushes food out of your tooth, but it also gives a very good massage to your gums. So let's start and learn how it really works. So for today's demonstration, I am using this particular water flosser, which is from OraCura. Well, there are a lot of brands available in market and you can select your own. I am using this particular model of OraCura today, which I find is very good to use. This particular model has got 2-3 modes, which are custom mode, soft mode and normal mode. Also one pulse mode is there. I usually suggest all my patients to start with a soft mode first and then slowly move to higher modes as per your convenience. It also comes with multiple attachments like a tongue scraper and a perio tip. Now these kind of attachments can be very useful. This perio tip is very useful especially for gum patients. So let's learn how it actually works. So this water flosser, when you will turn it around, there is a water tank behind and there is a space from which water can be filled. So this water tank can be, you can slide and open this water tank and you can fill water in this water tank. Some people usually prefer using normal water, but at times you can also use lukewarm water in this water tank. Also, you can add some drops of mouthwash. If you feel comfortable, you can also use few drops of mouthwash in this water tanker. It will further help in cleansing your mouth. One good thing about these water flossers is that they come with multiple tips. So 2 members of the same family can use a single instrument. These tips are usually color coded to avoid any confusion. You can just replace the tip and start using it. Also, once you are done with the water flossing, clean the whole water flosser as per the user manual and this instrument will serve you long. After filling the water tank with water and mouthwash, now our water flosser is ready to use. So hold the water flosser 90 degrees to your tooth surface and take it to your last tooth. Hold it 90 degrees to your last tooth surface and turn it on and then move on the gum line. Pause in between 2 teeth and then move on the gum line. Again, pause in between 2 teeth and then move on the gum line. Like this, you start from your back teeth and slowly come towards the front teeth, something like this. And then we repeat the same on the other side. We start from the last tooth, hold the water flosser 90 degrees to our tooth surface, we move on the gum line, pause in between 2 teeth, something like this. And then the same procedure is done for the lower teeth. You do this whole thing for about 2 minutes and then stop. Once you have water flossed your teeth, the efficacy of your brushing also improves. Water flossing is always done before you brush your teeth. So once all the food is flushed out of your mouth, the efficacy of brushing is further improved. So this is how a water flosser is used, and it flushes all the food out of your mouth and it gives a very good massage to your gums. Still, if you have any doubt on how to use a water flosser, then please do ask in the comment section and I'll be happy to help. Bye-bye.